Good morning, Mark from BruceTed Detailing and Decals. Office sign. So here we have a Holden Captiva. I ceramic coated this 2 years ago and we've come back for another maintenance wash. I don't charge for my maintenance washes. Once you pay for a ceramic coat, I believe that you can come back, say you get a 5-year ceramic coat, you come back once a year. I can do a maintenance wash on there. I don't charge for it because I want to see whether the coating's still working the way, if applied properly, it should still be working. So, Margaret owns this Captiva. I've just done a quick maintenance wash on it just to see whether the ceramic coating, I put a 2-year ceramic coating on this one 2 years ago. So we're just checking out to see whether the coating is still performing the way it should be after 2 years. So again, a 2-year coating and it's still on there working beautifully. So my point is, if you get someone to ceramic coat your car and they apply it properly, you should get longer than 2 years of a 2-year coating. It's all about the prep work. So with this car, it's still absolutely perfect. Very, very happy with the coating. We're going to step this one up though because, well, we've been 2 years. Coating's still working. Margaret's now got a choice of whether we go to a 5-year coating. So of course I'm doing pretty good deals on 5-year coatings at the moment. So if you want to give us a bell, 0400 320087. We'll have a chat about getting your car coated, protected, and it's so easy to clean. Like I spent about 5 minutes on this, washing this up. Did a quick little clay bar, that's part of the maintenance. So just do a clay bar, reactivates the coating again. Gets all the rubbish that's built into your ceramic coat from driving. And there you go. So I'll take this one inside now, dry it all down, put a little topper coating on just to keep it going, and then we'll talk to Margaret about whether she wants to step it up to the 5-year G Technic, which is just leagues above it. And yeah, she'll get certainly longer than 5 years out of it, the way I put coatings on. But there you go. Have a good day. Like and subscribe if you wish, or just give us a bell and we'll have a chat.